Did you know some websites can help you earn up to $100 per day online? In this video, I will show you 10 of them. The first website is Fiverr, where you can sell services like logo design, video editing, thumbnails, or voiceovers and earn money online. Next is Upwork, a freelancing platform where businesses hire people for writing, design, web development, and many other online jobs. Another popular platform is Freelancer, where you can bid on projects and get paid after completing work for clients. You can also use people per hour to sell digital services like SEO, website design, or social media management to clients worldwide. Another interesting website is Amazon Mechanical Turk, where you complete small online tasks like surveys, tagging images, or simple data work. Many people are earning online through YouTube by uploading videos and making money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. If you enjoy photography or design, Shutterstock allows you to upload photos or videos and earn money whenever people download them. Another powerful platform is ClickBank, where you promote digital products and earn commission whenever someone buys using your link. Many creators are also earning money through TikTok by posting short videos, getting brand deals, and receiving live gifts. Enjoyed the video? Show some love by subscribing and follow for more amazing content.